I ain't tryna pick for you, but it's now or never. The streets and you, I be torn between the two.
Go start 2, 2, 3.
Go.
Charity
Go.
gave it to them people.
Go.
Fucking
Go.
with a certified speaker.
Go.
Hey, what is up, you guys? It is Symone J back with another video. And by the looks of it, I know you're looking at like, what is this bald-headed mess? So I had this old wig and I was gonna throw it away, but I was like, I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna see if I can still rock this wig, you know, and fix the mistakes. So this was a really crappy wig and it started balding in the frontal, and I've never had this problem before. So my first thought was to just cut off the bald pieces in the front and just like repluck what's behind it to make it look natural for the hairline and try to reinstall it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I was scared because, you know, once you put that glue on, it's over. But yeah, so this is how it looked after I cut all those bald pieces. It's still not really giving. It's really thick, but it's getting there. And these are all the pieces that came off pretty much. So for the bald cap, we're going in with that bow hold extreme, doing one layer, then we let it dry, and then we just cut off that excess lace we don't need. And I went in with a little freeze spray as well for those corners, making sure it won't slide. Then we cut it off. And then, yeah, that little front piece, I started putting it in like the middle of my head. It kind of secures my ball cap more. Then we go into 3 to 4 layers with that bow hold extreme for the install. And I take some rubbing alcohol, of course, to make sure all the oil and any excess makeup is off my face. Little dance break. But guys, when you apply your next layer, please make sure the first layer is like dry clear first. It's gonna help at the end. Anyway, we about to lay this wig down. Y'all, I was so nervous because I already knew my part was gonna be a little shorter than usual because I had to cut back so much, but I was still gonna rock it. I didn't want to throw away this hair. Like, the hair is very thick in the back. It was just the front. It went bald on me. And then last minute, I added the even lace glue. And I'm not gonna lie, like, this lasted pretty long on me. I don't know what made me go in with that even, but I did. I was like, I'm gonna add another layer. But so yeah, I did like a layer even. So I press that into my skin and I pull out my edges and I tie that back. Now I'm just gonna let it dry and I'm gonna press it in so it can melt into my skin. So as that is melting into my skin, I go in and I try to refresh the curls. Like, look at the curls, y'all. The curls are so beautiful. Like, I could not throw this wig away. I couldn't throw it away. So yeah, I go in with some water. I also have a video on how I refresh curls. That's all down my page. But yeah, I pretty much go in with water. I detangle it, put like leave-in products on it, probably a little mousse, and yeah. So before I twisted up the front, I made sure my part was straight, of course. And then I went back in and kept detangling it. And this part took a good bit of my time. Because the hair is very thick in the end. I mean, in the back. As you can see, how long it's taking me to separate this and get it right. So yeah, I pin the twisties up. That's kind of cute right there. I should have rocked it like that. I pin it up, and then now I'm about to do my edges. Same routine, mini flat iron and the freeze spray, and you just swoop it up. You do it however you want. and this is how it looks. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks like twisted out as well. And look at those edges, y'all. Look how natural the wig still looks. Like, I shocked myself with this look. But I look really good. Like, this is like one of my favorite hairstyles I've did on myself. The hair is giving. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so you're notified whenever I post. Bye.